Bruh. It broke.
The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station WXL50 public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations,
I didn't hear you go off.
signal receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard.
Huh?
Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted between the hours of 11 and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the following Wednesday. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous.
See if WKML is breaking.
Counties in North Carolina, Bladen, Columbus, Cumberland, Duplin, Hart, Hoke, Moore, Robeson, and in South Carolina, from Marlboro and Dillon counties. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio public warning alarm system. We now return you to the normal program schedule. Slightly above normal temperatures through midweek will give way to very hot conditions late week and into the weekend. Rain chances remain minimal for the next several days.
It's on voice.
And now taking a look at the forecast for the local area. Issued at 8:39 a.m. Rest of today, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-90s. Southwest.
Wow.